Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows security not opening on Windows 11 or 10. So click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Apps. Here click on Default Apps. Now here click on Installed Apps. Search here Windows Security. This one. Click on these three dots. Advanced Options. Now here click on Reset. Click on Reset again. Now close and restart. After restart, still you are facing problem, so you can try second method. Click on Start. Search here PowerShell or type Windows PowerShell. Type here PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now copy and paste this command line I will give in description. Then press enter. Now once this complete, close and restart your system. So this is the method guys you can fix and resolve Windows security not opening on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.